Day number 1. Oh my God! If you gift this to someone, you're going to hell.
You wouldn't want to fight me, would you? I know. I'm dazed. Thank you. Good morning. I haven't vlogged in forever, but today I am vlogging. Just finished a workout. One second, let me chug my protein shake because I drink those now because I am getting fit. The Rock's got nothing on me. I'm gonna make the dogs food, then I need to shower because who looks good waking up and working out? No one. And if you do, you. Prince, why are you hiding? Food coming right up. I only feed my babies the best. Why are you always lying? Are you done? Purple nurple.
Show them the gains. Nice.
Come boys. Good boy, Prince. Anybody else's dog so bougie that they just need to be hand fed or they won't eat anything? My dogs will literally go on hunger strike if I don't hand feed them. And even when I do, look at him, he's walking away. He doesn't want it. Come. You don't know how good you have it. I think today's the day that I want to put the Christmas tree up. I've been procrastinating it because it is just such a massive tree and it takes so long to put up and take down. But I'm also getting more and more in the Christmas spirit. I've watched a 1-2 Christmas movie on Netflix, so it's time. And it'll just be like a little catch-up vlog. I haven't talked to you guys like this, like one-on-one vlogging in so long. We've been doing makeup videos, so yeah, we'll see what else the day brings. It should be a good day. Let's get going. I tried to feed the dogs. They only ate a little bit. Wolfie didn't eat it all. You better eat your food. He's just staring at me and sleeping in the sun. If only I could have my dogs' lives. Like, they have it so good. Quick little workout fit check. I got these biker shorts from Amazon and they are so thick and so good quality, but they weren't expensive at all. They even have that like shadow along the butt and they're just so flattering. I love them. I've been kind of on my fitness journey for a little while now. I've been updating you guys on Instagram. I do have a highlight on there for like the protein that I take and the type of workouts I do, so you can check that out. But I'm really proud. I've gained like 20 pounds, which is huge for me, and I've gone up 2 sizes. So definitely been making the gains. Basically, I just follow like YouTube workouts and that's been going pretty well for me. Charles sometimes trains me too. I did this workout today, inner and outer thigh workout with the ankle weight, and it was so good. I had to take the ankle weights off like halfway through because I just couldn't. I tried my best, but it got so hard. That's why I like kind of YouTube videos. I just go at my own pace and I've definitely been seeing results. Are you seeing the gains? All right, let's go shower and get the day started. Freshly showered. I didn't wash my hair though. I literally just washed it yesterday, but tell me why it looks so oily already. Ever since I dyed my hair back brown and my roots aren't bleached, it's just been getting oily so fast. So annoying, but I still don't like to wash it every day, so I'll just dry shampoo it. Time to get dressed. Also, literally all these jeans, you see these? Probably 2 out of all of these jeans fit me because of the weight I've gained. I used to be a 00 in jeans and now I'm a size 2, which I've like literally never been a size 2. So like 90% of my expensive jeans don't even fit me anymore, which is like sad, but also I'm happy about it because that means progress. I'm doing a good job. That's why all I can wear is like leggings these days, but I did just do an H&M order and I got these cute knit pants. So even though I'm not going anywhere, I'm still vlogging, so I'll look cute for you guys. I'm gonna wear my brand new H&M knit pants. They're so cute. Ta-da! Here it is. They're so warm because they're knit and they're so flattering, and I just need every color. Now let's do my hair and my skincare routine. Best dry shampoo ever, the Dove Invigorating Dry Shampoo. It has to be the one for volume. All the expensive dry shampoos I've tried, this one has still like beaten them for me. Now for skincare, I'll talk to you guys about my Accutane Journey. If you haven't seen this video yet, this is when I was about to go on it. I had gotten my prescriptions. I had done so much research, and this whole video is just me spieling about how scary I think it's gonna be. I had a good experience for the most part. I didn't have as many bad symptoms as I thought I would. I noticed improvements right away in my skin. I was on it for 5 months, 60 milligrams a day. I just wanna be clear, it was definitely not like a walk in the park, but I think I was just expecting it to be so much worse that when I got those side effects, like it didn't seem as bad. I hyped it up too much in my head. I had really sensitive eyes. I had to wear sunglasses like the entire 5 months I was using it. My scalp, skin, eyes, nails, everything was dry AF. I would have more mood swings. I was more emotional. So it's definitely as bad as people say it is, but my skin was clearing up. So that trumped everything. And it worked wonders up until 2 weeks ago. I'm panicking because obviously everybody's worst fear who goes on Accutane is that they don't want their acne to come back, myself included. So I've been off it since June. My skin has been amazing up until 2 weeks ago. And I was like, what is happening? I was getting the texture again on my forehead. I'm breaking out a little bit here. Panic set in. I'm like, I didn't go on Accutane for 5 months for nothing, you know? But I realized it was actually a new product that I was using in my skincare routine. So I don't fully think my acne is coming back. It might just be my reaction to this one product. Don't know. Scratch that. At this point, I am concerned because I haven't been using that product and my acne is still coming back. So I definitely want to see a dermatologist and like figure this out because girl, I got used to the clear skin and now what the hell is happening? My pimples are coming back. Pray for me. Let's hope and pray my skin clears up and I don't have to go on Accutane again. Going in with this. Just the main things that people say, like extreme dryness, but that didn't bother me. I did have joint soreness when I was working out or exerting myself a little too hard. The only thing that happened that I didn't expect and didn't really read about was that I had something called, I forget what it's called, where I was getting infections in my nails. My nails had gotten so brittle because of Accutane. They would flake and I'd get more hangnails, and then the hangnails started to get infected. That was just on the last month of my course, and I got antibiotics for it and it went away, and then I finished my Accutane and my nails are back to normal, no more infections. But that was something that I was like, what is happening here? And then I realized it was a side effect of the Accutane. But weighing all the pros and cons, for me, Accutane was totally worth it. It made my skin so much better. Even with the little bit of acne I still am getting, it was worth it to me. I think I am gonna have to get prescribed for more topical creams because I'm not using any right now. And I think that will help to prevent even the little bit of breakouts that I'm still getting. But there's the update. Sorry it took so long to give you guys one. I thought I was gonna document my whole journey, but then not much was really changing through the different months. And I thought I'd just give you an update once I was completely done my course. And then I mixed my sunscreen with my moisturizer. Now let's start makeup. Okay, I'm in my beauty room and you guys, the anxiety I feel when I enter this room is just next level. It has gotten so bad in here. There is makeup just everywhere. I have nowhere to organize anything. It's a huge job, so I've just been putting it off for so long. But every time I come in here, I literally want to throw up. Like, it's just so chaotic. For makeup today, let's do something fun, something Christmassy. Makeup is done, looking cute and festive. My lip is the NYX Shine Loud in Rebel in Red. This stays on through everything. Let's go eat though, I'm hungry. Let's make a sandwich. Turkey breast sandwich with my white bread. White bread is my kryptonite. And watching Seinfeld. Such a good show just to throw on. And I basically watched everything else on Netflix, so. Dun, dun, dun! These are the giant stairs that we have to bring the huge box up. Good thing I have my strong boyfriend to help me out.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This is the giant box. Wait, how did your butt get so dirty? When I smack it, dust comes off of it. Get a 12-foot tree, they said. No one told us how difficult this is to put up and take down. Oh, God. If I break a nail, I'll be so pissed. Okay, instead of taking this huge box upstairs, we're gonna just take each piece one by one. Are you okay? I literally brought up like 2 things. You did all the work. Good job. I got a new skirt this year for the bottom of the tree. Hopefully the dogs don't pee on it. Wow, so nice. I'm injured already. Putting up a Christmas tree is a dangerous task, I will tell you.
Now I know normally we're supposed to put this on last. No, I'm up here.
You're already up there. We put the final top part of the tree on.
Kind of lopsided.
That's fine.
It's like the Leaning Tower. The Leaning Tower of Christmas.
Now time to put ornaments. I stored our ornaments in this big bin along with some ribbon. We have some Christmas house decor, our Christmas lights. Mandy just rang the doorbell. The dogs are back from their walk. Let's let them in. Hi boys, how's your walk? Where's Prince? How did he handle it? Prince does not like the cold. Why does he look so disheveled? No barking at other dogs?
He did like one little bark.
Oh, only a tiny little bark. Look, Wolfie, we put the Christmas tree up. What do you think, Wolf? Why are you barking at the tree? He's going crazy. He doesn't know what this is. He's like, what is this giant thing? Finally done decorating. Let's turn the lights on. Ta-da!
Oh wow.
I love it. With the fireplace going and everything. Wow. Success! It only took 10 years. Now to put up our inflatables outside the house. We have an inflatable reindeer who is deflated and looks very sad right now. And, oh, I thought it was a snowman, but it's a Christmas tree. I totally forgot. There it goes. This might be the easiest Christmas tree to put up ever. We should have just put this inside of our living room. It's taller than you.
I'm letting go.
Oh, it's coming back to life. When you get knocked down, you get back up, this Christmas tree said. And there we have our outside inflatables. Rudolph looking cute as ever. Kind of looks like a bigger version of Prince. Got the lights up all on the railing. It looks amazing. Something super easy and it's actually really fast. And now when you walk into our house, you get hit in the face with Christmas cheer, literally. Putting it up is like exciting. You know, you can put Christmas music, you're excited for it. And then when you have to put it down, it's just like, ugh. That's when it becomes a real chore. Now I feel like baking some chocolate chip cookies, and it's perfect because not only do chocolate chip cookies make this house smell delicious like Christmas, but I'm going to Mandy's house and we're gonna watch The Bachelorette, and so they'll appreciate the cookies also. There's something you guys don't know about me, and that's that I'm a professional baker. I actually make amazing desserts from scratch, all from scratch. So these cookies are chocolate chip cookies. They're my special recipe. It takes a long time to make the dough, but if you see this dough,
What's in the dough?
the world's best bakers have nothing
What's
on
in
this.
the dough?
What?
What's the bag?
What do you mean? What's in
The
the
bag right there.
There's no bag.
Pre-made cookie bag.
These are some of the weirdest advent calendars that I could find on Amazon, and we're about to open them up. One of these is specifically for you. 12 days of men's Christmas socks.
12 days.
Yeah. Some advent calendars have 24 and some will give you 12 days.
Wait, how many days is there in December?
Anyways,
Day number 1. Interesting.
can you only wear these all holiday season, please?
I think these are baby socks.
Is it for children? I swear it was for like men.
Okay, well.
They look so small.
Yeah, these are tiny.
But how cute. They have gingerbread men on it.
Can we see day 2? Please give me something better. Okay, these are sick.
Oh, those are nice.
They
It
just
says
say ho ho
ho
ho.
ho. Oh, how do they know?
What do you mean?
That you're a ho 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 ho.
That was really corny. That was corny.
I just keep telling these dad
Yeah.
jokes the older I get. Mistletoe! Ew, you're ruining my makeup.
They keep getting bigger and bigger. Since
The beginning of the month you have baby feet, and then later on,
These ones actually fit. Get lit.
your drip will be crazy with this.
That's enough of these.
What do you give that advent calendar out of 10?
I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
If you really like Christmas socks, then I guess it's a 10 out of 10. This is the advent calendar for couch potatoes. This is to help you so you don't gain weight during the holidays. It's very thin, so you're not getting any like presents in this one. This is just advice, I think. I'm seeing some workouts on the one page. It's activities.
If you gift this to someone, you're going to hell.
Yeah.
Like, this is rude to get this. If I got this as a gift, I would literally slap the person.
You'd like jump off a cliff.
So what's the exercise on day 1?
It's a lot of text. Put on your favorite up-tempo Christmas song and then walk in place for the duration of the song. Feel free to include a couple of side steps to keep it from becoming too boring. And don't forget to swing those arms as well.
Oh my.
They have an alternative as well, so you can choose between 2 things to do that day for exercise. What do they expect you to do on Christmas Eve?
They know you're about to have like probably a nice feast on Christmas, so they're prepping you.
They're gonna work you extra hard. It's a big one. It's a freaking novel. Make a playlist of your favorite Christmas songs and then dance around. And feel free to invite your friends and family to join you for this booty shaking, arm waving, and legs aching exercise. Wow.
This out of 10 is an absolute 0.
I give this a 2.
This is
It's very...
No offense.
Okay, this next one, I'm embarrassed to say, it's literally a kid's Lego advent calendar, but I thought it was like the show Friends themed, but it's literally just Lego Friends. Day 1, you get, it's a miniature Lego that you have to put together.
Oh, wow.
This is like getting a Kinder Surprise every day.
Yeah, I actually like this a lot. I lost their hair.
There's so many tiny pieces.
The head should go on the neck. That's 100%. The hair to go on the head. I'm lost at the rest of it, to be honest. Like, what is this?
It's like a platform.
Is there seriously no instructions?
Yeah, I don't think there is.
No, there has to be.
This is day 1. There's nothing in there. No instructions.
Not there being a diagram of how to build it literally right there on the flap, and neither of us realized. Let me remind you, this advent calendar is for 6-year-olds, and we're 2 full-grown adults, and we're so confused and could not figure this out this whole time. I'm so ashamed.
All right. Hello?
What are you doing? Oh my God, get over here.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm just finishing. I'm bringing cookies to make up for it. Okay, bye.
SMH.
Mandy and Tess are waiting for me for Bachelorette, so let's finish this up. Okay.
Can't even build day 1. Like, oh my God, I'm over
Are
it.
you okay?
No. Let's just open one more. I just want to open Christmas Eve. Oh my God.
They give you even more pieces to your Lego. Oh my God. I would feel very like accomplished doing this every single day for 24 days. Like that's actually, you're putting in a lot of time. Anyways, you guys let me know which calendar you think was the worst because I think they're all fighting for the top spot, to be honest. Comment down below what other advent calendars you want me to try out, whether it's beauty related or any just weird ones, because 'tis the season. You know I open advent calendars every single year, so we'll definitely have more videos doing that. And yeah, Mandy obviously called me. I'm late to watch The Bachelorette, so I'm gonna end the vlog there. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me, getting into the Christmas spirit. Hope you all have a great start to the holiday season, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.